What's the meaning of chimney stack? Chimney stack. Chimney stack.
Chimney stack. Chimney stack. A chimney stack is a vertical structure located at the top of a chimney, which helps to increase draft and improve ventilation for combustion. It typically consists of a brick or stone base and a metal or clay pipe, and can be several feet tall. The main purpose of a chimney stack is to release smoke, gases and other byproducts of combustion from a fireplace or furnace into the atmosphere, while also preventing backdrafts and reducing the risk of fire. Without a chimney stack, the emissions created by burning fuel would not be safely vented outside, leading to potential health hazards and fire hazards.